Hi, welcome to Back to School Night. I am your student sixth grade language arts teacher, and I am going to start tonight by telling you a little bit about myself. I am a Big Spring High School and Shippensburg University graduate. I have a degree in elementary education with a minor in reading, and I'm continuing to take postgraduate courses so I can find some better ways to teach middle level learners. Okay, and if you look here at the bottom of the picture, this is a picture of my family. So I have a husband and my son Zachary. He is 15 and he is in 10th grade. My daughter Emma is a senior and she is in 12th grade. So I do have children of my own in addition to your students in the classroom. So let's get down to course content. We have had some major changes over the last couple of years in language arts. If you have had older students that have come through sixth grade in the last 10 years or so, they would have had a 90-minute block of language arts. That has now changed to a 160-minute class of language arts, in addition to social studies is incorporating some of the language arts standards and the unit nonfiction unit into their units of study. So just to give you an update, language arts teachers are currently teaching all of the same content except the nonfiction unit, which Mrs. Furness will probably explain to you that is going to be incorporated into social studies, which fits very nicely together. Okay, we have also done some changing up of the units. So in order to better help our sixth grade learners understand the things that they're learning, we went with thematic units this year. So the first unit is that characters change and grow. And throughout this unit, students will be focusing on the elements of fiction. They'll be reading a novel. They will be learning to cite text evidence. And then they will also be learning the grammar pieces that are in here. Parts of the sentence and nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. Okay, so that's unit one. This unit is an extremely large unit, so I would expect it to last longer than the first marking period. Unit two is titled Embracing Our Differences, and students will be looking at texts where the theme will be talking about our differences. We're going to read another novel here and also really look at learning more about analyzing text and how to paraphrase when we're doing an analysis. So you can see as well there's grammar embedded into Unit 2, homophones, and then pronouns and antecedents as well. Okay, Unit 3, Failure and Success. So this is the unit we're going to focus on figurative language and poetry. Again, analysis will be part of every unit. We'll also look at commas, and we'll probably be reading a text, a novel that's actually written in verse, which will tie in very nicely to our figurative language and poetry unit here. Okay, and then finally, we have strength and unity. And so this is going to be our wrap-up unit for the year. It's probably going to be the shortest unit of the year, but students will be looking at different texts that focus on how we're stronger together. And, so it's currently under construction, but we're going to be looking at maybe persuasive essay here, in addition to the remaining grammar, and of course, always working on those writing skills. So that is the course content. If you have questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. My email address is here on the screen. It's melk@carlisleschools.org, or you can call my desk phone, and the extension is right there. Okay, so please reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will do my best to keep you updated on everything that's going on in the classroom. It was very nice talking with you this evening. Please reach out if you have any concerns. Thanks.